Alright, so we got the brackets here, the spacer. Same situation as the back. This is the brute force 2-inch leveling kit on a Kawasaki Teryx. You're gonna put your spacer on. Like that. You got your nut. Oh shit. You turn the piss out of that. Here's the shock adjustment, 9 7/8 like it says. We just gotta go ahead and mount up the bracket here for the front, and we'll be done. Alright. All it is washers. They go inside the bracket. We're gonna put the washer in there, and then, well, we gotta do the back first. Put the bracket with the washer. There we go. And just like that, I mean, it's pretty simple. You got your bracket both sides, your bolts, your washers, your nuts. That's it, man. It's pretty simple.